Welcome to our amazing world of feline fun, where we embark on an exciting journey to discover 5 incredible cat breeds. In this fantastic episode, we'll learn all about the Scottish Fold, Sphinx, Persian Cat, Maine Coon, and Munchkin. Get ready to meet these adorable and unique furry friends who have captured the hearts of cat lovers all around the world. From their special features to their playful personalities, there's so much to uncover about these extraordinary cats. Let's dive right in and explore the fascinating world of cat breeds together. So, let's get started. It is a Scottish Fold cat. Scottish Fold cats are known for their unique ear shape, which folds forward and down, making them look very cute. These cats are friendly and make great pets for families. Scottish Folds come in many colors, including white, black, and orange. They have a soft and cuddly fur that needs to be brushed regularly. They enjoy playing with toys, such as balls and interactive toys that mimic hunting and chasing behavior. These cats need a healthy diet and plenty of water to stay healthy. Scottish Folds are prone to ear infections, so their ears need to be kept clean. They are generally healthy cats, but may have joint problems because of their unique ear structure. Scottish Folds are social cats and like to have human company, as well as feline companionship. They enjoy having a cozy bed or perch to curl up in and take naps. It is a Sphinx cat. Sphinx cats are a hairless breed, known for their unique appearance. They have very soft and warm skin that needs to be taken care of with regular baths and moisturizing. These cats are very social and love to be around people, making them great pets for families. Sphinx cats come in many different colors and patterns, just like other cats. They require regular grooming to maintain healthy skin and prevent sunburn. It's important to make sure Sphinx cats have a warm and comfortable place to sleep and play. They need to eat healthy food and drink plenty of water to stay strong and healthy. Sphinx cats like to play with toys, especially ones that they can chase and pounce on. Socialization is important for these cats to prevent shyness and anxiety, and they may benefit from having feline companionship. Regular checkups with the vet can help keep Sphinx cats healthy and happy. It is a Persian cat. Persian cats are one of the oldest cat breeds in the world, and they originally come from Persia. They are known for their long, luxurious coats, which require regular grooming to keep them healthy and beautiful. These cats are typically gentle, calm, and affectionate. They love spending time with their human companions. Persian cats have adorable round faces with large, expressive eyes and a short nose. This gives them a unique and cute appearance. They come in a wide range of colors, including white, black, blue, cream, red, and many more. Each color has its own beauty. Persian cats are best suited for indoor living because their long fur requires protection from outdoor elements. They prefer a safe and comfortable environment. Despite their calm nature, these cats can still be playful and curious. They enjoy interactive toys and exploring their surroundings. Persian cats are generally quiet and don't meow excessively. They prefer to communicate through soft purrs and gentle trills. They may require special care due to their unique features. Regular eye cleaning, dental care, and grooming are essential for their well-being. With proper care and a healthy lifestyle, Persian cats can live for a long time. It's not uncommon for them to reach 15 years or even older. It is a Maine Coon cat. Maine Coon cats are one of the largest domestic cat breeds, with males weighing up to 18 pounds or more. They have thick, long, and bushy tails that they can wrap around themselves for warmth. Maine Coon cats are known for their big, fluffy ears with tufts of fur at the tips. They have a gentle and friendly temperament and are often called the gentle giants of the cat world. Maine Coon cats are excellent hunters and were originally bred in the northeastern United States to catch mice and other small rodents. give these animals a thick and waterproof coat that helps them stay warm in cold weather. Maine Coon cats have a distinctive, trilling sound they use to communicate with their owners. They are very intelligent cats and can learn tricks and commands. Maine Coon cats are excellent climbers and love to explore their surroundings. They are often referred to as the dog of the cat world because they are loyal and love to follow their owners around. Maine Coon cats have a unique ruff of fur around their necks, which can make them look like they're wearing a fancy collar. It is a Munchkin cat. Munchkin cats are known for their short legs, which are a result of a genetic mutation. Despite their short legs, they are active and playful. Munchkins come in a variety of coat colors and patterns, such as solid, tabby, and calico. These cats are friendly and like to be around people. Munchkin cats are prone to weight gain, so it's important to monitor their food intake and exercise levels. Due to their unique body structure, Munchkins may be more prone to spinal problems and arthritis. Regular grooming is important for these cats to prevent matting and hairballs. Munchkins are generally healthy cats, but they may be prone to heart and respiratory issues. It's important to provide Munchkin cats with a balanced and nutritious diet to maintain their health. They like to have friends, so having another cat around can make them happy. They love to play with toys, especially ones they can chase and catch. If you enjoyed this video, my little friend, don't forget to subscribe to Animal Kingdom TV and click on the bell in order always to be the first to discover and learn about all kinds of amazing creatures.